Welcome to the vibrant world of Onitsha Golibe Festival. Here, we celebrate the rich tapestry of culture, music, and community that defines the historic city. Join us as we delve into the festivities, showcasing why Golibe, meaning to rejoice in Igbo, truly captures the spirit of this event. From the moment the festival kicks off at the iconic Imobi Ezochima Palace, you will witness the city come alive to the echoes of ancestral drums, the vibrant halls of traditional attire, and the infectious rhythm of music to resonate through every street. This year's festivity starts from Christmas Eve, promise an array of activities including masquerade performance, where ancient spirits dance amongst us, telling stories through their masks and movements. Choral competition, showcasing the melodious voice that defines Onitsha musical landscape. Cultural dances, each dance narrates tales of history, bravery, and beauty performed by crews from across the 18 villages. Art exhibition, a showcase of contemporary and traditional art that speaks to the soul of Onitsha. Ado League football matches, a spiritual competition that brings community together in sportsmanship and camaraderie. Global Carnival, a dazzling parade that turns the streets into living canvas of joy with floats, bands, and dancers. The Golibe Dreamland Funfair adds a modern twist, offering amusement rides, games, and fireworks, ensuring that the festive magic touches everyone from the youngest to the oldest. This festival, inaugurated by His Majesty Nemeka Chabe, not only revive and preserve the cultural identity of Onitsha but also acts as a beacon for tourism and economic revitalization. Join us on Cultural Journey, where every moment is a celebration of life, heritage, and community. Experience the warmth of Onitsha's hospitality, the depth and its tradition, and the promises of a bright future through the lens of the Golibe Festival. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more immersive cultural experience from around the globe.